Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we're going to be doing nighttime routine. So I'm home from the work day, so I figured I would sit down and show you guys my nighttime routine. So let's get to it. I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. All right, so excuse me. First things first, let's pull the hair back. All right, let's get the hair out of the way. All right. All right, so now that the hair is out of the way, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off my lashes. Is it me? Am I weird? But I like how it feels when I take my lashes off. Sometimes I have my kids take them off. Okay, so take this off. Sit those to the side. Do you guys save your lashes? How many times do you guys wear your lashes? Because, baby, I know my lashes be screaming. I wear them as many times as I can. All right, so now that the lashes are off, the first thing I do for my nighttime routine, and for this item, I only use this when I have makeup on because it helps break my makeup down. But this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Micro Cleansing Balm. Okay, so this is a balm. Basically what it does is, so basically it melts down, it breaks down your makeup. But this is a cleansing balm. Basically it breaks down into a cleansing oil when you're using it on your skin, and it breaks down your makeup. Once you apply the balm all over, then you follow up with a little water, which is going to make it like a, all right, and then my eyes I do last, and I just break down makeup I have on my eyes, and the glue from the lashes. Just comes right off. Do this side. Make sure everything is broken down. Then I'm just going to take some water. I'm breaking it down. Alright, it's just continue to break that down. Alright, so that was the cleansing balm with me just breaking it down, you know, rubbing it in really good, and then following up with the water to make it really milky, working it in, and then rinsing it off with water. Okay, so there's that. And then after that, I will use my perfectly clean multi-action foam cleanser purifying mask. Guys, when I tell you I am in love with this stuff, they really need to make this into a body wash because it feels amazing. I'm addicted to this stuff. I use it every night. Um, Now the balm, I don't use it every night because some nights I'm lazy and I would just go in with a wipe. But this cleansing foam, I use this every night. It feels amazing on the skin. It's really creamy. Now when it says foam, it doesn't foam up like, visually in my mind when I you know first heard of the product, I'm thinking, like 2 inches of foam on your face. But no, it is so milky, so creamy, and it really gets the skin really clean. So I am really enjoying this. So, and it smells really good. All right, so I go in with this amount. I just get a little water, put my hands together. Look at that, and go to town. It feels so good. Sometimes I'll go in with my my facial brush, like a Clarisonic or something like that, and just really get in there really good. Okay, I do behind my ears because I put makeup there as well. Okay. And I just go in and I rinse after that. After that, we rinse. I love it. My skin feels really clean, makeup free, and ready for my serum. Or after that. So okay, so after my cleanser, then I will do my, alright, so after my cleanser, then I will go in with my advanced night repair. You guys have heard me talk about this. I really love it. I'm almost out of this bottle, but I have 2 more. Working for the company, they give these out like water. I absolutely love it. I've definitely seen a difference in my skin since I've been using this. So then I will go in with my serum. I'm actually not going to do it right now because after this video I'm going to be filming a face peel, a resurfacing peel. So I'm going to be trying that out after this video. So I'm not going to apply this, but again, I will do my advanced night repair. And then I don't do this every day, but then sometimes I will go in the advanced night repair eye matrix. And these are all, of course, anti-aging products, going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. Keep your skin looking and feeling nice and youthful and radiant. So then after I'm done with those products, because again, remember with these products, it's going to make any product you use on top of this perform 33% better. So I really love that. It's like a magnet for any product. Actually, I'll show you guys a demo we do at work. Hopefully you can see it. I might have to turn down the ISO so you guys can see. Alright, so I just put a drop on the back of my hand, as you can see. I'll use some Fix Plus. Alright, so this is a hack we do at work with advanced night repair. So I have advanced night repair on this hand. There we go. So I have advanced night repair on that hand. Alright, so just any foundation, I'm putting just a little drop on there on the back of my hand with the advanced night repair. I'm gonna rub that in. Top of the advanced night repair. You guys see that? There you go. And then I'm going to take that same foundation and put it on this hand with no advanced night repair. Rub that in. When I say a product magnet, this stuff is a product magnet. Anything you use on top of it, it's going to make it perform 33% better. So then I'm going to take some, oh, look at that. It just looks, you can just see the difference here. See how good this looks? See how dull that looks? This is just with the advanced night repair. But I'm going to take some Fix Plus. I'm going to spray that on top of the advanced night repair and foundation, and then over here with just the foundation, and look at the difference. Okay, that's the advanced night repair. This hand you can see is trickling down. You see that? You see how that water is falling down? Look at this. It's a magnet. When I say it's a product magnet, it is a product magnet. And this is a demo that we show. We should be showing all of our customers, but to be honest, it doesn't always happen that way. But anybody that we can sit down, this is what we show them. And 9 times out of the 10, they buy this product. I'm trying to align them so you can see them. There you go. Well, let's see. There, you can see the difference. This is the same foundation. I can still feel that water trickling down my hand. Whereas the hand with the Advanced Night Repair, it is still there. It is holding on. This is just one thing that I love about the product. This is not even including, you know, all the benefits of anti-aging, helping with fine lines and wrinkles. Girl, I posted a picture of my boss on my Instagram page. She was new to the company just as well as I was, so we kind of started around the same time. And I wish I had done a before picture before I started using this, but I didn't. Because I noticed before, I still have some here, but there was like some shading here that it has cleared up a little bit. And then my skin just feels really smooth and clear and plump and radiant even without anything. So that is the Advanced Night Repair. That's just one thing that I love about that product. You know, it has other benefits, but that's just one thing I love. Okay, sorry, I got off track. You know, when I said product magnet, I immediately thought about me being at work. Okay, so after my serum, then I use the Resilience Multi-Effect Moisturizer. They have a nighttime version with this also. So this Resilience Multi-Effect, it is a lifting moisturizer. Again, they have one for night. This one is a daytime one. I have a night one, but I gave that one to my daughter. But, you know, same thing. This just, it has SPF in it. That's the only difference. So, that is it for my nighttime routine. So, you know, use the cleansing balm or either a wipe. After that, then I'll use the Perfectly Clean, which I'm a fan. They really need to make this into a body wash because it feels amazing on the skin. So after that, then I do my serum, Advanced Night Repair, and then my Advanced Night Repair Matrix for the eye. Oh, I didn't show how to use this one. So this one is specifically for the eye. So how you use this one is kind of, you just rub it. It has a cooling sensation too, so this always stays cool. So you apply it to the skin and you just rub it in. Then I'll take my finger and rub it in gently around my eye. This is all before I put on my moisturizer. So, and then I'll follow up with my lifting moisturizer, and that is it. So again, I'm not going to apply my moisturizer because I'm getting ready to film another video about face peel, so which is right here, and I'll show you guys. It is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Resurfacing Peel. So let's see, there we go, resurfacing peel. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for that video. That video is coming up next. So that is it for my nighttime routine. Thank you guys for joining me on this video. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, and remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Wow. Okay.